Welcome to my vlog!
Nandito na po siya sa ating harapan during eating time. So, sa eating time natin, lahat tayo may food and sa inyo naman yung food and kids and adults. So, bagay lang. So, dito na po tayo sa ating first trivia question. Everyone, makinig na lang po tayo dahil once in a blue lang po sasagutin ni Mommy and ni Daddy ang aking trivia. Ang team, tama po ba yun, ma'am? Sir? Pero congratulations natin. May follow-up question na din ako sa
Kamag-anak yata yun.
Okay. Ano po yung pangalan ng doktor na nagpahanap po kayo, ma'am?
Na-stress bigla si Ben.
Ay, hindi niyo pa alam yung pangalan ng doktor. Ay, natin sige. Joke lang yun. Parang pangalan mo natin si Miguel. Congratulations. Okay. For my last question na natin kung mukhang kinakabahan na yung mga guests natin magtrabaho. Okay, for my last question, ano po ang full name ng ating birthday celebrant? Ano pong kwentong pangalan ng ating cell phone? Bring me a cell phone charger. Cell phone charger po.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe. There's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Siya ulit. Okay, sino pa? Meron pa ba dalawa? Parang nakikilala ko na yung mga bata na lagi mga item. Parang kilala ko na sila. Guess what? Mukhang wala na mga kahabol sa ating laban. Tari, wala pa sila mga wider dahil araw-araw sila nagsasabi.
Ay, dali, ayun na!
Okay. Amen. Amen. Congratulations. Okay, for my next item, I want you to bring me a discount card ID. Sige po may mga senior ID, ID. Parang bangko ko lang. Hindi lang ID, bangko. Bank card para
My name is 30.
30, ayan. How old are you, 30?
I'm 5 years old.
5 years old. Okay. Do you know how to play the longest happy birthday?
Yeah.
Alright, sige, let's give it a try. Ikaw naman. Hey, ay, come here. 30. Longest happy birthday in 3, 2, 1, go.
Happy birthday, Kiki.
Okay, make it louder.
Happy birthday, Kiki.
Mukha hanggang 1 second. Okay, ngayon na yung exam namin by Chichi. Ikaw na. Okay, let's go muna try ko na mga lang sa may yung chichi wala so.
Happy birthday, Kiki!
Okay, natatagal na ng isang segundo. Walang baka naman natin si Toby. Okay, next naman natin si Kuya. Ayan. What is your name? What's your name?
Coco.
Mukhang anak ni Cardo ng isang Hi! What is your name? Ano pangalan mo? Okay. Ay, nalaglag na yung nameplate ko. Okay, sige. Okay, wait lang. Balik lang natin yung nameplate ni Kuya Jerry. Let's go.
Happy Kiki!
May sumabay kayo din. Okay. 1 seconds. Walang baka naman natin si Kuya. Okay, next na natin. Hi, what is your name?
Yuan.
Yuan. How old are you, Yuan?
6.
6 years old. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Longest. Tayo ng pakahan ng confidence ng batang to. Okay. Longest ever birthday in 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Happy birthday, Gigi!
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
18 seconds pa lang pakahan mo natin si Kuya. Ayan. Ganun na tayo. Mukhang kinakabahan na ang mga kids natin. Okay, next na natin si Kuya. Hi, what is your name? Sorry? Ian.
Hey, Gigi!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 seconds. Palakpakan naman natin si Kuya. Ian. Okay, next naman natin. Alright. Longest happy birthday in 3, 2, 1, go.
Happy birthday, Gigi!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Ako, tinalo na.
Grabe. 21 seconds. Palakpakan naman natin si Kuya. Siya po ang pinaka-highest natin. Ngayon, may last player tayo sa voice natin. Mukhang pinakabahan na siya. Kaya siya naman, grabe naman, ginudge siya naman siya agad. Ngayon. Okay. Hi, what is your name?
Jan Jan.
Sorry?
Jan Jan.
Jan Jan. Jan Jan, how old are you? 9 years old. Are you ready? Alright, I think you're ready talaga na sa ganyan. Inala ko ni Jan Jan. Jan Jan, ayan. Longest happy birthday. And 3, 2, 1, go.
Happy birthday, Kiki!
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
15 seconds. Palagpakan naman natin si Jan Jan. So, Jan, ang winner natin sa kids. Congratulations. Kaya kami nakakuha ng 20 seconds. Okay, next naman natin sa mga... Ay, sorry. Next naman natin sa mga gawin natin. Sasaling mo siya, ma? Ah, hindi. Okay. Si ma'am pala ang sasali para sa akin. Ikaw na lang. Okay, unahin mo natin yung pinaka-maliit. Tsaka sige. Ayun. What is your name? Sorry? Ali? Okay, how old are you? Ilan taon ka na? Oh, okay, 4 seconds. Bilang. 4 seconds. Are you ready? Alright. Longest happy birthday and 3, 2, 1, go. 4 seconds. Wala na naman natin si ate girl. Medyo na. Pag-ready na siya. Ha? Okay, now, are you ready? Okay, isang segundo lang siya mag-decision. Alright, longest happy birthday and 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday, Gigi!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, 12 seconds. Pero pakasama natin si Tisha. Next naman natin si ate girl. Ayan. What is your name? Atalia? Alright! Let's go, team boys! Okay, sige, sasabayan ko kang team boys. Sasabayan ko kang team boys. Okay, dito po. O, lahat tayo team boys. bro, bro. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Alam natin natin ang ating syempre. Isa lang pong malakas na happy birthday, Chichi. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Alright, ito naman syempre. Mami and daddy, ayan, sige po. Ayan, take 1, take 2. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Okay, next one. Okay, lahat sila may... Wow. Na tayo natin yung picture. Baby, ayan. Happy birthday! Alright, I think ready na si birthday ka naman, birthday. Hit the stage. Ayan, kung sino yung tayo mga boys natin ganyan na pare-pare designs, syempre sasayaw din tayo ni birthday. Let's go, birthday.